Assalamualaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the cyclone. What is the cyclone restraint system? We will discuss about that in this video. Also, having the PPT slides which give the more detail about the restraint system. So let's start it. Here is the objective of the restraint system. Explain the difference between an active and a passive restraint system. These are the two types of the restraint system. The first one is active and the second one is passive, and learn how to service seat belts. Describe the operation of airbag system, repair or bag system safely. And here we know the introduction of the restraint system. A restraint system is designed to help hold passengers in their seats. Restraint system prevent passengers from being injured during a collision. All new vehicles come equipped with some form of restraint system. Also we can see on the word Microsoft. Cyclone straps are metallic intermediate restraints consisting of a 316L stainless steel strap complete with standard liners which have been designed, constructed and tested in accordance with the international standard cable cleats for electrical installants IEC 6,1914. And you can see here hold vehicle occupants in their seats, protecting them from injury during an accident. The restraint system includes the seat belts and the airbag system, as well as the vehicle body frame, steering column and dash. Seat belts and airbags are required on all vehicles. Also you can see here the cyclones, any large system of winds that circulates about a center of low atmospheric pressure in a counter-clockwise direction north of the equator and in clockwise direction to the south. You can see here the description of the cyclone. It almost give the exact meaning of the cyclone. Now I go on the PowerPoint slides, and here you can see that active and passive restraints. An active restraint system is one that the occupants must make an effort to use. Conventional manually operated seat belts are classified as an active restraint system. A passive restraint system is one that operates automatically. Two types of passive restraint systems are automatic seat belts and airbags. Seatbelt system. Seat belts are stronger nylon straps with special end attached for securing people in their seats. Lap belts extended across the lap, and shoulder strap extend over the chest and shoulder. Now I go on a Google for knowing the more information about that, and you can see here the more information. This website gives the almost more information. You can see here the northwestern area of the W centered around EX mouth is subject to severe cyclonic condition. The area between the 20th and 25th parallel is referred to as region D, and tanks installed in this area need to be capable of standing with wind speeds in excess of 250 km. And you can also see here, according to the Department of Fire and Environmental Service, it almost gives the different things about that.